This is the dashboard here. The other night I was driving home and stopped by my local bank where I spotted this vehicle. Now I made a joke about it, but some of you younger folks might not understand the joke. Just Google O.J. Simpson. You'll get the joke. This was made even funnier by the fact that this happened in Florida. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Coming just a little too fast there. Uh-oh, OJ's in town.
Oh, the Bronco. Yeah.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video. Even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.